We have an update to a phone scam that's been targeting people looking for stay-at-home jobs and using the names of big companies like Amazon to rip people off. Clark.com first told you about this scam 6 months ago, but it appears to be evolving. We'll have the update coming up, but first, some background info. People have been getting calls that say they can make lots of money working for Amazon, and they're directed to various websites. But these websites actually have nothing to do with Amazon. Some people have told us their phone won't stop ringing with this scam, and in many cases, the caller goes by Sarah. Leave a comment below and let us know if you've received these calls. Take a look at what amzjobs.org looked like last year when we first told you about this scam. This is just one of the many sites. You see a fake news article with Amazon's logo and a picture of CEO Jeff Bezos. Read on and it says you can make up to $14,000 a month by working just an hour or two a day, and you don't have to leave your home. Now to the update. When we visited some of the websites that used Amazon's name, they all appear to be shut down. But other sites are still up and running, like dataentrywork.org. The Amazon logo is gone, but there's still a fake news article and clips from news organizations about work-from-home jobs. If you click on any of the links in the article, you're taken to a page like this. There's a long video that talks about how you can make $500 a day working from home, and there's a form to enter your name, email, and phone number. Right below the video, there are even these testimonials that appear to be total fakes. The people behind this scam are apparently trying to sell work-from-home kits for a small fee, but don't fall for it. We have a list of legitimate work-from-home jobs on Clark.com, and we'll link to it in the comments below. If you just want to stop the robocalls for good, try downloading the Hiya app. It's free. Your cell phone provider may also offer call blocking tools. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe below. Thanks for watching. And just one more thing. We first learned about this scam from someone who called Team Clark's Consumer Action Center, a free call-in helpline. If you need consumer advice, give us a call. The number is 404-892-8227, or you can go to clark.com/ask.